Honda Asia's answer to the compact hybrid trend is the City eHEV, which is their electric petrol hybrid running on the company's IMMD technology, which should not be confused with Toyota's system. I'll make it very clear that this car is not a plug-in PHEV model, rather it runs on similar technology that can be found in their Accord and CR-V models. Under the bonnet you have a 98 horsepower 1.5 litre 4-cylinder gasoline Atkinson Cycle engine mated to two electric motors. They have a combined power of 109 horsepower. This gives the car a 0 to 100 km time of 9.4 seconds. The City Hybrid is only available in the highest RS trim, which comes fully loaded with safety features, gadgets and RS body styling. It is unknown at the moment if lower trim levels will be offered like other manufacturers, as this would make the entry price point more affordable for buyers who are not interested in the extras offered in the RS trim. As you can see, the City Hybrid RS is identical in appearance to the turbo model, including the interior and entertainment system. For peace of mind, Honda are offering a 3-year warranty or 100,000 kilometers plus their ultimate care package, which gives an additional 2 years or 40,000 kilometers warranty. Customers will get a total of 5 years or 140,000 kilometers coverage. Also included is 24 hours emergency service coverage for 5 years, a 5-year warranty on the hybrid system with unlimited distance, and the battery is guaranteed for 10 years with unlimited mileage. This will give any buyers peace of mind because although the hybrid technology is not new, it is being brought to new customers at a lower price point. What makes the City Hybrid different from the regular turbo model? It's powered by a 1.5 litre engine and electric motors. The Honda logo on the front and back has a blue decorative frame that lets you know it's a hybrid. Rear brake discs have been added. Automatic headlights are standard with auto high beam. Added is a new gauge design with a 7-inch TFT color MID screen. It has an electric handbrake with auto brake hold, engine remote start and air vents for rear passengers, walkaway auto locking, lane keeping assist with departure warning, crash and pedestrian warning system with brake assist, and adaptive cruise control. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe and hit the bell button for more automotive content. Thank you.